It's a silver suitcase with the blue tag on the handle.
All right, I do think I see it there. It's got like a blue tag with some sort of white on it, maybe a picture of a person.
Yeah. Okay, let me reach for it. Okay, Ryan, I'm gonna try to find my way to the outside, and then if you can call me a lift, please.
Yeah, absolutely. It looks like you have the doors just ahead of you. You're going to want to angle just slightly towards your right.
Okay, thanks. Today is Valentine's Day. My husband is here in New York on business, and with the help of Aira, I'm going to surprise him. He has no idea.
I am an Aira agent. At Aira, we create a platform for people who are blind or low vision that promotes independence, equal access, and the ability for these users to further experience the world anywhere, anytime. We provide our explorers with the description of life.
Hi, Christine. Thanks for calling Aira. This is Emily.
Hi, Emily. I just landed in New York, and I'm actually going to surprise John for Valentine's Day, and I'm going to cook him some Italian food for dinner. So I think I'm going to go shopping in Little Italy, if you can help me find my way there.
Yeah, absolutely. It looks to me like the closest metro stop that'll get you to Little Italy is at the corner of 6th Avenue and West 48th Street.
Okay.
If you begin walking forward, and in about 5 feet or so, take a hard right-hand turn to 3 o'clock.
So here?
Yes, ma'am. Already see the flags from all the different countries of the UN lining the plaza here. On your left, another restaurant. This one only has a couple of tables with chairs out, but as long as you stay in the center of the sidewalk, you should avoid them. Your destination is going to be across the street, straight ahead. So I see ravioli, tortellini, fresh pasta.
Can you help me find that one, and I'll get those?
Move your hand 2 bags of pasta to the right.
This one?
Yes, that one right there. And then when you get back out onto the sidewalk, go ahead and take a right-hand turn all the way to 3 o'clock.
How do these tomatoes look over here?
That one is actually a lemon.
A lemon.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Pork sausage with arbol chili powder and garlic. It says medium heat. I'm looking at a row of red wines across the top. Scanning right now for Pinot Noir.
I think I'm going to get some flowers to make the dinner extra special, so if you can help me find a nearby florist, that'd be great. I travel quite a bit for what I do now in life after winning MasterChef, so sometimes it can be daunting and intimidating, but having an Aira agent on the phone with me and using the Aira glasses helps me feel safe and more independent.
There is a large statue of George Washington riding victoriously upon his horse.
Okay, Emily, since this kitchen is not my own kitchen at home, I think I'm going to need you to help orient me to it.
Absolutely. So directly in front of you is the sink. And then you've got the stove here in front of you. I see 4 burners. Just about 1 inch to the right of the burner itself.
Sounds like it's boiling. The pasta's in here. Is it all kind of submerged?
Looks like the pasta is floating up near the top of the water.
Okay, Emily, I've got basil. I'm just gonna sprinkle it a little bit for some color on the plate.
Move the tines of the fork in towards the plate just slightly. The little candles on the table look super lovely.
Thanks, Emily, for all of your help. I think John's gonna be super surprised.
No problem. Enjoy your dinner, Christine. Have a good night.
Oh my god! What are you doing here?
As an Aira agent, our job is to transform the experience for people who are blind or low vision and enhance their freedom to greater levels. It goes beyond technology. It's about opportunity. We are always here for any small task or big adventure.
I love how using the Aira glasses has transformed my independence and my life. The agents have helped me gain confidence with getting outside my comfort zone. Because of Aira, I now have the option to experience augmented reality whenever I want. The possibilities are endless.